Weld line on the injection molded part. Every manufacturing process can generate different defects into the final part. Plastic injection molding is not exceptional. Many common defects such as sink marks, warping, burrs, short shots, can usually happen during the process. Today, we would like to talk about one of these defects, weld line. It occurs when melting plastic material is injected into a mold. It flows through all parts of the mold. When a part design includes a hole, notch, or certain other features, the flow of plastic can be divided into two separate flow fronts. The material is flowing in two different streams, which flow around the feature and then come together. As the two flow fronts meet, the molten plastic from the separate fronts joins or welds together and often forms a slight line on the part, similar to a parting line mark. How do weld lines affect the part? It affects the surface appearance and undermines the strength of the part. Sometimes can even easily break off from such an area. How to avoid weld lines or improve it? First, we can increase the wall thickness. Thickening part walls can help to slow down the resin cooling speed. This gives the resin more time to spread to the uncovered part before it eventually cools and solidifies. Secondly, change the gate design by increasing the size of the gate and runners, or reposition the gate and runners to inject the material into a different location on the cavity. Thirdly, we can eliminate the weld lines by heating and cooling the mold using a specialized heating cooling cycle. This is achieved by having many small capillary cooling channels. Besides, we can also adjust the molding conditions. They are temperature, injection speed, and injection pressure. Increasing these conditions will help to make the melt flows fuse together more perfect. Now the weld line has been eliminated, and the part looks perfect. If the weld lines only affect the surface appearance, we can texture the surface of the mold, which helps to disguise the weld line, or paint the parts to cover the effect.